Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stumbling upon my channel. Hope you join the family. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into the video, guys. So guys, I'm back with another Glossybox unboxing. Yes, and this time this month's edit is Aloha. So yeah, it's giving me tropical vibes, summer vibes, everything. I remember on Instagram when they were like, what do we think the theme is, and they showed us like swimming pool and stuff like that. I was like, summer vibes, but no, it's Aloha. So yeah, let's dive in and see what we've got in this month's box. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? That is so cute. Ooh, even smells like summer. Ooh. And as you all know, that's the little leaflet that we get. So yeah, look at that. That's cute. So next month is Glossybox's birthday. So whoop whoop. And so it says, our birthday surprise. Next month we'll be celebrating our birthday, and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for all of you for almost 2 years is finally coming your way. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. And look at that. I think they have their own line coming out. We're gonna have to wait and see. So we don't really have a sneak peek. Ooh. So this are all the stuff we got in there. Ooh, isn't that cute? Look at that. Right, let's go one at a time. So let's go with this. So we've got Glow Drops, and this is Jacob Black, and that is Glow Drops, and is highlighting primer for face, and is vegan friendly and cruelty free. It says Glow Drop Primer is that not only do they prime your skin and create a glowing base ready for makeup application, but they hydrate your skin too. So that's amazing. So yeah, that is Glow Drops, and this retails for £16. So that's number one, and that is actually full size. Next we've got this orange juice hand cream. That's full size as well. I believe everything in this box is full size this month. So yeah, this is orange juice hand cream. There's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with a luscious hand cream that smells of freshly squeezed orange juice. And this is by Nelbe, and is natural and organic. And look at that, and this retails for £11.50. I've actually been wanting hand cream in my bag for a while, so yes, I finally don't have to go out and get one because I have one right here. So thanks, Glossybox. Next we've got this. This is another product by Videoleap, and it's the Palm Balm. It says achieve a holiday worthy tropical glow with this multi-purpose balm. So it's 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut, apricot oils, and everything. So you can actually apply it to your cheeks and your lips and your eyelids, and yeah, you can. So yeah, it's multi-purpose basically. So it can either go on your cheeks, on your lips, or on your eyelids. So multi-purpose. Hey guys, this actually retails for £18. Next we've got this. This is the fruit slice mask sheet, and this is by Coca Europe, and it says say hello to your fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to this Korean face mask infused with natural strawberry. So it's actually either, I believe I've got watermelon, so you can either have watermelon or strawberry, and I've got watermelon. And yeah, so, and that actually retails for £4. And last but not least, we've got this little bronzer right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Aloha bronzer, and it says hashtag give them lala. Isn't that cute? So yeah, so this is Aloha bronzer, and is by Give Them La Beauty. Even if you can't make it onto a sandy beach this summer, you can still show off a natural looking sun-kissed tan thanks to this bronzer. This actually retails for £19.80. Yeah, that's all the goodies that I got. This is hiding. So yeah, that's all the goodies that I got this month, and I can't wait for next month, guys. Like, yes, I'm definitely can't wait to try the glow drops. I can't actually wait to try everything. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly calculate everything up for you guys like I always do, and I'll tell you the total just right. 1 second. So everything in this month's Glossybox actually costs £69.30. If you want a one-off subscription, I believe it's £10, and if you do like they have 3 months subscription, and I think they do 6 months as well, and then 12 months, and then that's £8, and then you'll just add shipping onto that. That's £8.50, and then you add shipping onto it, which is like I think £3 or thereabouts. But yeah, fantastic. Like, look at all the stuff I got for just £8.50, and that is amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed my little unboxing for you guys, and I can't wait to bring you the next one, their surprise birthday box. So I'm waiting for that. I can't wait. They have shown us like what the box is gonna look like. It looks like a little present, so I can't wait to actually get the box and see. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't done so already, I don't know why, but make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family and come on this journey of YouTube with me. I shall see you next time. Bye.